Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Poppy from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started on the left hand side with our eye, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's move across towards the right now, leaving a gap in the middle, and we're going to draw in another circle for our right eye. Now in the middle we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then moving across on the left, let's replicate that one more time. Now on the side, we're going to draw two small diagonal lines that come out for the eyelashes. In the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the side, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the right. In the center, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Now let's draw in the bow up above. So in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. On the top on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then moving over on the left, let's replicate that, arching this line around and then back in. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line around in towards the corner. And then on the bottom again, we're just going to arch this line around and then back in. Now let's close up the head with a circle. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this line around and then in towards the bottom of the mouth. And then starting back on the right hand side, we're going to again curve this line around, bringing that back in towards the bottom. Let's move over on the left hand side now, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big half circle, curving that around and then over. And now let's draw in our left arm first. So stepping further out for the outside portion, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. We're going to step across in towards the middle, bringing another diagonal line that comes down. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then for the rest of the hand, we're just going to arch this line around and then back up in the corner. Now let's curve this line around and then up for the inside of the arm. And then to the right of that, again, we're going to curve this line down in the corner. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around, back in. Let's draw on the rest of the dress now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line out and down towards the bottom. And then stepping over on the right, we're going to curve this line down, ending this at the same height. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then over. For the left leg now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. In the middle, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. To the right of that now, we're going to bring our diagonal line up. And then we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back in. Now on the top, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch over. And then moving underneath, we're going to replicate that one more time. Let's move over on the left-hand side now and replicate that on the top. And then again, as we move down, one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Poppy from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.